Hi, today I thought I'd talk about the Wave multi-tool and what I have assembled here. Overall, the pouch consists of 4 pockets, 3 accessory pockets, and 1 main pocket for the Wave. I'll cover more about the pouch later. By the way, I've actually used the Leatherman warranty. Considering what they offer, I believe it's a great deal. Only cost was shipping. They ended up replacing my multi-tool, the Surge, with an upgraded version at no cost other than shipping. However, if you're emotionally attached to your Leatherman, you may need to rethink it. My Wave is the subdued version or black oxide finish so as not to reflect light, usually associated for military use. Starting with the main blade that you see here, it's a straight edge, no serration. This blade incorporates a flat grind too. Blade length is just under 3 inches, probably somewhere around 2 7/8 roughly. Black oxide finish, and as you can see, the blade edge is enhanced. That is what came with it. This blade also incorporates a liner lock type, so it's positive lock when you lock out the blade. This is the serrated blade. Its length is basically the same length as the main blade, just under 3, about 2 7/8. And it also incorporates a liner lock. The next blade we're going to look at is the file. Here we have the edge file, diamond side, and the cross cut. It has a liner lock. This blade, of course, is the saw blade. It's used for soft material like wood, plastic, and somewhat flexible, and incorporates a liner lock. Next item is the belt clip. Seen here, it is somewhat difficult to remove because of the button lock. It's a very positive lock for the clip. That's a good thing. It may prevent the clip from separation during use. Dedicated spot for the belt clip. Snaps in with a positive click. Next item is the lanyard ring right here. Built into the multi-tool, extends in and out, and locked in and out by the lever lock right here. Can be difficult to extend or stow, so individual preference is needed. If using a lanyard, consider using with a small split ring to attach your lanyard. Moving to the inside of the Wave, I will break down the plier head first. This is the needle nose cap crimper, not a wire crimper, used for crimping blasting caps. This is the regular pliers, wire cutters right here. Towards the hinge is the hard wire cutters. I will now demonstrate the use of the wire cutter and the hard wire cutter. This is the regular wire cutter. Nice and clean. This is the hard wire cutter. Likewise, clean cut. The next item is the scissors. Open it up. Lock it, unfold the scissors, engage the leaf spring. This scissor is small, suitable for trimming and snipping. I'll demonstrate the snipping. Provides clean cuts. When done, just fold it back up, release the lever lock, and pull it away. The next item is the bit holder, small one, used for the eyeglasses. Right here we have the Phillips tip. Pull it out, reverse it. Now you have a flat tip. This can also be used with reset buttons on certain electronic devices. The next tool is the flat-bladed screwdriver. It's the largest in the tool itself. I'm checking the lockout, make sure it's engaged. It is. It's fairly thick. Folds up nice. The next item is the large bit holder, shown here. This comes with a flat tip, reversible to a number 2 Phillips. And it also handles the bit holder extension, shown here. Slips in, bit goes in as you see right here. The bit holder extension can be used with all Leatherman multi-tools that have the large bit holder, and folds up nicely. The next blade has 3 tools in one. Lock it out first. The first item right here is the wire stripper, that little V-notch, going to the bottle opener and then the can opener at that tip. Folds up nice and easy and clean. The last tool on the list is the ruler. Now the reason this wave is so stiff as I'm working it is it was replaced by the Surge when it became available, so it's relatively new. It's been used, but not much. The scale on this is the international scale, which is metric, and American Standard, which is at the top. The upper scale, of course, is inches, and that's 8 inches across, and the lower one is centimeters, 19 centimeters. Last item on the list is the pouch. It consists of 4 pockets, 3 accessory pockets, and 1 main pocket for the tool. Accessory pocket here, 1 here, and 1 here. The large pocket, you'll notice there's a large hole. What that's for is while you're using your multi-tool, you don't want to fold it back up and put it in the pouch if you're still using it. You just shove it in there, provided this pouch is on the belt in the vertical. You can put the flap over if you want, but not necessary. Okay, we're going to repack the pouch, starting with the wave. Place it here in the main pocket. Over here, we'll place the bit extension holder. On this side, the Ferrocerium Rod, striker, and tinder, and compass, right here. And then the bit card holder, right here. And close the flap. That's it. The Ferrocerium Rod combination was for demonstration only. Use whatever combination that would work best for you. I hope you enjoyed viewing this clip. If so, please give it a thumbs up. Check the description for more info and leave your thoughts in the comments. See you in other videos.